Today we got 9 items coming at you as great gifts for that special boat in your life, ranging from $5 to $350. And then there's going to be one bonus item at the end that is sure to make that captain in your life super excited. And if you stick around to the end, we're also going to tell you why we handpicked all these items. Also, to my wife, if you're watching, here are some ideas. Oh, hey, what's that you say? You like my mug? Sometimes I wonder if my boat is thinking about me too. Yeah. First up on our list and coming in at the most affordable is this coffee mug. And it does exactly what you think a coffee mug does. It holds coffee or liquids of some sort so you can enjoy a tasty beverage. Honestly, this mug is one of my favorite gifts that I've received because I often do wonder, is my boat thinking about me too? All right, next. What's a day on the water without an American flag? This one in particular, or this brand, is available in multiple different sizes. It's made out of a tough nylon fabric. Trust me, we've had this thing going, 40, 45 miles an hour, flapping in the wind, and we have no tears on the end. It's holding up really well. We actually attach ours with a couple of carabiners, as you can see here, to our wake tower bimini top area, and then another ring that's kind of located basically that far apart. Ours is a 16 by 24, but like I said, you can get them in multiple different sizes. If you also want to attach it to your boat differently than we do, there's a plethora of options for boat flagpoles that go in your cup holder or that attach to like a railing that's on the side of the boat. Next up, we've got a good old keychain float. This one definitely looks to be in a little bit rough shape. We have used this one well. I'm not saying that necessarily even to get this one in specifically for your boat captain, but to find a key float that kind of represents their personality, their style. I've always had an interest in piratey skull type things, so I found this one and thought it was pretty cool and decided to go ahead and pick it up. The last thing your captain wants is for the keys to somehow come off the boat and fall in the water and sink to the bottom. I think these things are rated to hold up to about 5 keys and still be able to float. Like I said before, spend some time scouring Amazon or other websites to find that float, that key float that actually fits your boat captain's his personality and his style. Where's that other one I was looking for? Oh, Riptide Vibes adjustable hook fish bracelet. Nothing better than one of these as a gift to show off your love for being on the water, or to be an angler in particular. Made for 550 military grade paracord, this gift is perfect for the boater, the angler, paddleboarder, canoeer, kayaker, pretty much anybody who has a love of being out on the water. And on top of it being stylish, Riptide Vibes gives back 15% of its profits to marine wildlife conservation efforts. You know what they say, a clean boat is a happy boat. I don't know if they say that. I'm just saying that right now. But keeping your boat clean just got a whole lot easier with Better Boat erasers. Just wet the eraser, squeeze out the extra water, and start wiping away. Quickly take care of dirt, grime, and any other type of buildup that you have on your boat, whether it be on the gunnels, on the hull of the boat, the transom, on the deck. You can wipe down the upholstery with these things and get rid of those unwanted stains at the waterline. In addition to that, the reinforced core on these erasers makes them more durable and they'll last longer for you. I'm pretty excited about this one, and it's kind of funny that I'm excited about this, but it's about taking care of your trash. Enter the Port City Creations boat specific trash can, or this actually would work well at camp too. We take kids out on the boat with us pretty often, and kids are horrible for stuffing trash in all the wrong places. If you got that trash can out and available, they're more likely to put it in this trash can and keep it secure. I really like because it has these straps where it can actually hook on to a wake tower, to a tower on a center console, to your gunnels, wherever it might be. And it also has a bottom strap too to kind of keep it in place. One thing that we found, because we have used plastic trash bags in the past, is they start flapping in the wind as you start driving down the lake, and they're annoying, they're hard to manage. Like I said, this guy's gonna strap right up to your wake tower and stay secure in place with this bungee here. And if you like to go camping, this will also work great. Strap it to a tree, strap it to a picnic table, to a chair, to your tent. Obviously, don't leave it out overnight where animals can get into it. That's a bad idea. Put it up high. So, and on top of the straps that it has, it also has this cinching top here to keep stuff from flying out as you're driving down the lake. Made out of a durable, lightweight polyester. It resists staining. You can hose it off or hose it out completely. It's breathable, and it's got this mesh here in the center, so you don't have to worry about things, you know, getting moldy and nasty inside there. It will air dry out. And it folds down into a small package, making it easy to transport, lightweight, and it's also available in 4 different colors. Check it out. Before we keep going, if you're enjoying this video so far and have already found something that you think is useful for the boat in your life, please do us a favor and consider subscribing, liking this video, and posting a comment below. We really appreciate the support. And all these items in this video are going to be linked down below. Next, we just picked this one up out of necessity for ourselves, but I did do a lot of research and we were looking for the top rated dry bag. But yes, a dry bag is kind of a necessity. Let me unfold it for you so you guys can see a little bit more. Mir is the company. The reason one of these is so important, because in our experience, nothing ever really stays dry on the boat. And if you have extra set of clothes or some towels or say phones and a wallet and keys for the vehicle, it's always a good idea to place them in a bag that is going to stay dry and keep them safe from any sort of water damage. This is especially important if you're out there on the lake and it does start raining. You get one of those pop-up thunderstorms or rainstorms in the afternoon. This is a huge help to keeping your stuff dry. This one is TPU coated, heat welded at the seams, and it does have this roll top. So you basically just twist this guy in, okay? After you put your stuff in it, of course, and snap it closed, and that keeps the inner compartment nice and dry. This one in particular is pretty large, and they do come in a variety of sizes. 30 liters is this one. It does feature a large inner compartment with also a laptop pocket in there. I don't know if you can see that. It's probably pretty dark. No, you can't see that. So if you're carrying your tablet, laptop, anything with you, I don't know why you necessarily need a tablet or laptop at the lake unless you're editing videos, maybe like I do. And then on the outside, it does feature an expandable water bottle pocket. So if you want to take it on a hike with you, you can easily do that. Zip that out, cinch it up around your water bottle. This is a nice, well-made pocket, especially with these waterproof style zippers they have on the outside here. And not just for boating, this bag is going to be great for other activities as well, such as tubing down the river, paddleboarding, canoeing, kayaking. If it has to do with being on the water, this is going to keep your items dry. Beach towels. You guys see this? You see how thin this is right here? I've got 4 towels here. You know what? Hang on. Let's do a comparison. I'll be right back. This is one of our towels versus 4 of these 4 Monster. That's the name of the brand. Microfiber beach towels. Let's get that out of the way. We don't need it. Microfiber, sand-free, lightweight, quick drying, and portable. You can't go wrong with a set of these towels. They're pretty big in size as well, and available in multiple different colors. You can see they've got a bunch of fun prints on them. You know, kids, they like that stuff, right? I love these towels because when we get done using them or the kids get done using them, you can drape them off the side of the boat, put them over top of the back sun deck. They dry quickly, they don't take up a whole lot of space, and they don't attract a lot of dirt and sand. These are a great addition to any boat, gear bag, or camping setup that you may have. Tools. This is the tool set that we actually keep on our boat. Trust me, having tools on the boat has helped me out of several situations, especially weekends where maybe I've lost a prop or something has kind of gone wrong with the boat. And I've trailered the boat an hour or 2 hours away from our house for what would be a boat camping weekend. And I've had the boat do things where it wasn't performing properly or wouldn't start, or we had a mishap happen, like we lost a prop at Lake Hartwell. That sucked. That's a story for another time. This has saved me from being in a pinch. Now, do I think you need exactly this specific set? No, but it's great to have some sort of tool set available on your boat while you're out on the water. This one in particular features a full set of metric and standard sockets, deep well and regular size. You have your standard 1/4 inch, 3/8 and 1/2 inch driver available here. You have a bunch of nut drivers. You've got a screwdriver with the bits that are inside this case right here. all different types of extensions, box end and close end wrenches up top here, and then also you have a set of hex wrenches, metric and standard as well. Our boat in particular has pretty much all standard sizes on it, so I don't necessarily need the metric stuff, but for the newer boats out there, you never know what you're going to get, whether it be standard or metric. So this is a great kit to have, and again, will help you out in a pinch, no doubt about it. Last, as promised, and coming in at the most expensive item on this list, and also one of the smallest, is this knife by Benchmade. Now, this knife is kind of expensive, at least for me. It's a lot of money to spend on a knife. But one thing I could tell you about Benchmade is this is the kind of knife that you don't just have and throw it in the drawer and forget about it, and then later on it ends up in like a donation pile for Goodwill. This is the kind of knife that you hold on to. Benchmade is the benchmark to which all other knife manufacturers strive for. I say that. There's other great knife manufacturers out there alongside Benchmade. But the point I'm getting at is this is a really well-built knife. This one in particular features nice solid wood handle on it. It also has a nice hook on it for cutting lines. So let's just say you're out on the water and you get a fishing line caught in your prop or just something else in the water getting stuck around your motor. You can cut this out, or you can just use this for cutting fishing line. You just never know a situation when you're out and about when a knife might come in handy. And so this one in particular lives on our boat, and it is a useful tool for us. We've used this knife many times when a situation has arisen. One thing I can tell you for sure is this is the kind of gift that boater in your life will absolutely love. This was gifted to me, and I am super thankful for this being given to me as a gift. That special person in your life will feel the same way about receiving a gift as nice as this one. As I promised in the beginning of this video, I was going to tell you why I handpicked all these items, whether it be the Riptide Vibes bracelet and they're giving 15% of their profits back to Wildlife Conservancy, or maybe it's the American flag and being handmade in the USA. That's very important to me. Or maybe the Benchmade knife that was made in the USA. And on top of that, a lot of these items are also being produced and sold by small businesses. For example, the Boat Erasers. Better Boat is a small business, along with Port City Creations, the company that makes the boat trash can. See, I think it's important to support these small businesses, just like this channel. Drop Anchor is, in fact, a small business. We have links for everything on this video in the description below. And really, I wanted to give you guys a list of things that could be used on and off the boat. Just about everything here has applications outside of being on the water. So don't feel like this list is limited to just your boating friends. Okay, thank you for tuning in, and do me a favor and check out other videos we have on our channel like this one right here. See you next time.